In this tutorial, we're going to create a brand new article. So to create a new article, we're going to go to the Content menu and drop that down, and we're going to select Articles, and that's going to pull up my article dashboard. Right now, I only have one single article in this site, so I'm going to click on New and add a brand new article. Alright, I'm going to give this a title, and I'm going to click down here in my Joomla content editor, and I'm going to add some text. And I think I want a picture in here too, so let's upload a picture really quick. So that was my insert image icon, and I'm going to go to upload, and I'm going to browse my system. I want this summer camp picture, so we're going to open that. I'm going to click on upload. And when you're inserting images, you'll notice that when it just initially uploads, all this information up here is blank. But if I go over here and select my picture, it fills in all those parameters for me. I'm going to give it about a 10 pixel margin all around. And I'm going to fill out my alternate text field. This is important for screen readers and accessibility requirements. We're going to just describe what's in this picture. This is a youth group outside on the campus. Green. During summer camp. Okay, everything looks good there, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the insert. Oops. Well, that's kind of ugly. Let me fix that. I'm going to align this to the right so that it does wrap around my text. Click on update. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Okay, the other important thing about articles is organizing your articles. In my previous tutorial, I created a couple of categories that were events in the subcategories of camps and concerts. So I'm going to organize this one under camps. And what this does later on as I add more and more articles to these, it allows me to develop my menu structure and plan out navigation. So just kind of keeping that in mind, that's why we use categories. And everything else in here looks pretty good. I'm going to click on Save and Close. And I'm going to go ahead and do a few more articles to fill up our website here. And once you save the article, it pops up here in our dashboard. There's some really good filter options. Whenever we get more articles, we can actually go in and see only articles in certain categories. Or we can sort by like published or featured, all kinds of really cool stuff. But I'm going to go ahead and finish up making a few more articles, and I'm going to come back with some more tutorials on how to create menus and modules. Thank you.